Halor ke jingli na gilar pthai khubor bagi sapriang gi jingikren baga Voice of the People Party VPP ka khari Dr. Jemino Mautho General Secretary barem ga United Democratic Party ban shimik ticket na ka party ban Ïakhun gi election sting samai na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency sa Lok Sabha uba Ardent mila basai moi President ga VPP bat MLA na Donkam ula cuba persya baga party hi kam Donkam dagi Briew gi bana shabar aba cuba halor ke tegi jingli ka no phaisni arp nyotre rompang arjar Briew uba Ardent loang baga party ka don gi Briew gi belabiang ban mi buculi ka cakau Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkan ubala khlano mena khat khandai tere rompang arjar Briew kumban syukdo bau Dr. Jemino ula ieno igi UDP usnam baladam bau deiru bule khun igi election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat house nam arjar khat khandai kumukurtong monlang ga MDA 1 but sharam uba Benson H Pala ka Congress.
We are yet to decide and that will take place very soon. I am not going to, it is not that we boast or something like that. But we understand that the pulse of the people that we are going to keep this constituency with us.
And we have seen a lot of speculation doing the rounds, suggesting names like Jemino Mail. Has VPP approached Jemino since he's no longer affiliated to any political party?
You see, I'm telling you, we have enough people in the party who are qualified, who understand the background, the origin of the party. I don't think we need people from outside the party to contest this election. That's one.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayen la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya